Sreemangal, a land of rolling tea gardens, misty hills, and endless green. The journey begins through lush fields where the air is fresh and the scent of tea fills the breeze. Deeper into the wild, the ancient Lawachara forest awakens. Sunlight filters through towering trees. Birds call from the shadows. And hidden waterfalls whisper secrets. Every step uncovers nature's beauty, clear streams, quiet lakes, and a world untouched by time. This is adventure. This is tranquility. This is Srimangal.